Hi, my name is Mushuki and my metric number is A21A3303.
My name is Ying. My metric number is A21A3284.
My name is FENG. My metric number is A21A3344.
My name is MEIRONG. Number metric is A21A3138.
My name is YONG and my metric number is A213427.
My name is Jason Taiyuyi. My number matrix is A21A3267.
Today, I want to present the introduction for our business mathematics assignment. Business mathematics is composed of mathematical ideas related to business. The finance formula help in calculate profit and loss measures, interest rates, tax, and base calculation contribute to the effective and efficient completion of business activity. It is necessary for business to analyze the cost associated with producing goods and service. The second objective is to assess the finance performance for the business. It helps calculate revenue and expenses as well as risk assessment.
Now I'm going to introduce about our company. Our company established on 30th December of 2022. Shu Planet is our company name and it is located at Taman Bendahara, Bekalan Chepang, Kota Baru, Kelantan. The type of business of our company is limited liability company. These are the 10 employees of our company. Next is our payroll report. Payroll report is a document that used to provide specific payroll information to government agencies and keep on file for our own pay records. It includes information of basic pay, overtime pay, commissions, piecework pay, and gross pay. Basic pay is the initial salaries paid to an employee, and overtime pay refers to the compensations of working beyond normal working hours. For example, the regular working hours for Jason is 40 hours and he works for 43 hours. So 40 hours will be counted by basic pay and 3 hours will be counted by overtime rate, which is 1.5 times of basic pay. Commission is a payment given to employees based on the sales they make. As example, Davina received a 3.5% straight commission for her 8,000 ringgit sales. Piecework pay is paying an employee a fixed rate of each unit they produce. For example, Oration and Amiru is paid for 1 ringgit for per pair shoes produced. Gross pay is the total amount of money an employee receives before taxes and deduction are taken out.
Now I present the amount that our company need to start up the business. Firstly, our owner amount and the future value is 5,000 ringgit. And the amount of loan for relative is 10,000 ringgit. The interest rate is 2.5% at 24 months. When we use the amount multiply the interest rate and time period by year, we will get the interest amount is 500 ringgit. The future value we get is 10,500 ringgit. We get it by our amount plus our interest amount. For the amount of bank X is 50,000 ringgit with 3.3% compounded semi-annually interest rate at 7 years. Use the same formula, we will get the 11,550 as our interest amount and the future value we get 61,550 ringgit. Our total amount is 65,000 ringgit. Total interest amount is 12,050 ringgit and the total future value is 77,050 ringgit. I have scrapped a permission notes for promise 2 years after 1 January 2023. I will pay 10,000 ringgit for a value received with 2.5% interest rate to the order of Ahmad Jufradin bin Ijudi Ibrahim.
Now I'm continue the presentation with question 3a. Our company produce shoes, so we need machine to help us to produce shoes. The machine that we need is footwear hydraulic cutting machine, commenting machine, and 2 lorry, which is Mitsubishi FE3.0 lorry, 14 feet box, and Isuzu NPR 4.8 lorry, 17 feet box. The machine and lorry we buy 1 unit each. The total amount we buy is RM 234,000.
So now I will present about the next question. The question is based on the fixed cost of machine that your company bought on the table 2, one machine and construct a description schedule for 5 years using. So the formula for the declining balance method is R equal to 1 minus n square root SV over C, where SV equal to severance value, C equal to cost of asset, R is equal to annual rate of description, and the N is equal to useful life number of year. So this is the table of declining methods. The first column is the annual description, and the second column is the accumulate description. Accumulate description is the sum of the annual description and the value at the end of the year. The formula for the sum of year digit method is total description equal to cost minus scrap value, that is TD equal to C minus SV. So for the S is equal to N in bracket N plus 1 over 2. S equal to sum of the year digit and the N is useful life or number of year. Where for the DT is equal to RT times TD. And the RT is N minus T plus 1 over S, and the DT is equal to C minus SV. This is the table for sum of year digit method. For the first is the annual description. The formula for annual description is DT equal to RT times TD. And the accumulate description is DT before plus DT. And the last column for this table is book value at the end of the year.
Last question for question 3 is, our company received an invoice of machinery cost that on 26th of September 2022 from supplier A with term 5/7, 3/15, and N/30. If we pay on 30th of September 2022, we will get 7% discount. This is because we pay in 5 days after receive the invoice. The amount that we need to pay is RM 9,500 after discount. The second one is, if we pay on 9th of October 2022, we will get 3% discount. This is because we pay in 15 days after receive the invoice. The amount that we need to pay is RM 9,700 after the discount.
Okay, I will continue the presentation with the question 4. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is YONG and my matric number is A213427. The question is based on the bank loan that your company has identified in Table 1 at 3.5%. Compounded monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. To calculate the monthly payment, a loan consisting 10,000 cash is purchased by making a down payment of 5,000 and the balance is to be settled by making 12 monthly payments at 3.5% compounded monthly. Next, the table shows the monthly payment formula. From the question, we can know that the loan is 10,000 ringgit and the down payment is 5,000 and the balance is also 5,000. For example, the N symbol is for the frequency of the conversation, which are 24 months or 2 years. Sum all the information that we can get from the question and we will get the final answer. Hence, our monthly payment is 424.61 ringgit.
This is timetable of amortization schedule. The first period of beginning balance is 5,000, ending balance is 4,589.98, monthly payment is 424.61, principal pay is 410.03, interest pay is 14.58, and the last period of beginning balance is 423.37, ending balance is 0, monthly payment is 424.61, total pay is 5,095.32, principal pay is 423.38, total principal pay is 5,000.01, interest pay is 1.23, and total interest pay is 95.31. The monthly payment is 424.61 ringgit taken from 4A. Total pay which is accumulated monthly payment. Beginning balance which is formula 10,000 minus 5,000 equal 5,000. Interest pay which is formula 5,000 bracket 0.035 1/12 equal 14.58 ringgit. Step 5 The total interest rate is accumulated interest paid. Principal paid with formula principal paid equal beginning balance minus interest paid. Total principal paid which is accumulated principal paid. Ending balance which is formula ending balance equal beginning balance minus principal paid. Beginning balance equal loan minus down payment.
In conclusion, we have learned about organizational preparation and how to apply mathematics to the real world from this assignment. It provides a wealth of knowledge and expertise that can prepare us to conduct a real business. We also be able to improve the efficiency of the company across the board and do each task more efficient, more successfully. Lastly, we may infer that business mathematics courses are very important in operating a business. It taught us everything we need to understand about business in order to create a profitable company.